This video shows how you can hide or unhide rows and columns in Google Sheets. So first of all, I'll show you how to hide the rows and columns, and then I'll show you how you can unhide them as well. So let us say I want to hide this row number 56 and 57. So just select them by pressing the shift key and then clicking on the left mouse button. Once you do that, just right click and then you can click on this hide rows option, and you can see that those rows have been hidden now. And when the rows are hidden, you can see these small arrows over there. That means there is some rows that are hidden over there. Now, how to unhide them? So to unhide them, it is very simple. Just go here and then you have to click on this arrow, this one or this one. And you can see that now the rows are unhidden. Same way you can do with the columns as well. So just select the columns that you want to hide. Say I want to hide the column D. So right click and then hide a column. Once the column is hidden, you can see these arrows. So just click on that and then it will be shown again. So you can see the column D is now again visible. That's it. It is such a simple thing.